Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. In this video, we present a current affairs quiz covering key events from April 1st to 7th, 2025. Let's begin. Which nation conducts the biennial multinational air exercise named INIOCOS? Right answer is option D, Greece. Who released the Education and Nutrition Learn to Eat Well report? Correct answer is option B, UNESCO. In which state has the Lok Sabha approved the establishment of Tribhuvan Sahkari University? Correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Which Jharkhand district became the first to start a non alcoholic fatty liver disease screening campaign? Correct answer is option B, Ranchi. The Asia Cup Hockey 2025 is scheduled to be hosted in which Indian state? Right answer is option A, Bihar. When is National Maritime Day celebrated in India? Correct answer is option D, April 5th. What type of satellite is Cartosat 3 recently in the news? Correct answer is option B, Earth Observation Satellite. Parbati 2 hydroelectric project is located in which Indian state? Correct answer is option A, Himachal Pradesh. Which state recently began the School Chale Hum campaign? Right answer is option C, Madhya Pradesh. What is the title of the global voyage mission undertaken by INSV Tarini? Right answer is option C, Navika Sagar Parikrama 2. Which country conducted the military drill Straight Thunder 2025A in April 2025? Right answer is option C, China. The Protection of Interests in Aircraft Objects Bill 2025 aligns with which global agreement? Correct answer is option A, Cape Town Convention. Which Indian state ranked first in the Fiscal Health Index 2025? Correct answer is option D, Odisha. What is the main aim of the PM Ajay scheme? Correct answer is option D, reducing poverty among SC communities. The Great Red Spot, a massive anticyclonic storm, is seen on which planet? Right answer is option A, Jupiter. Which state has topped in solar panel installations at railway stations as of February 2025? Correct answer is option C, Rajasthan. The Vibrant Villages program is run by which ministry? Correct answer is option D, Ministry of Home Affairs. The International Criminal Court was established by which international agreement? Correct answer is option C, Rome Statute. Kannadippaya, a tribal craft recently given a GI tag, belongs to which state? Correct answer is option A, Kerala. Prime Minister Narendra Modi received the Mitra Vibhushana, the top civilian award of which country? Correct answer is option D, Sri Lanka. What is the theme for World Health Day 2025? Correct answer is option B, Healthy Start, Hopeful Future. Shiv Subramaniam Raman has recently been appointed as the chairman of which organization? Correct answer is option A, Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. Which country is hosting the FIFA Women's World Cup 2035? Right answer is option B, United Kingdom. What is the name of the ship involved in the Navika Sagar Parikrama 2 expedition? Correct answer is option A, INSV Tarini. Where did the 6th BIMSTEC summit take place? Correct answer is option B, Bangkok. The Sarhul festival is primarily observed in which state? Correct answer is option C, Jharkhand. Whom did Anahat Singh defeat in the women's singles final of the JSW Indian Open 2025 squash tournament? Correct answer is option D, Helen Tang. Who recently took charge as president of the Asian Cricket Council? Right answer is option B, Mohsin Naqvi. What is the total number of Ekalavya model residential schools planned across India? Correct answer is option A, 728. Which organization designed the Hansa 3 trainer aircraft? Correct answer is option A, CSIR, National Aerospace Laboratories, NAL, Bangalore. Which ISRO satellite captured Myanmar's post earthquake images on March 28, 2025? Right answer is option A, Cartosat 3. India collaborated with which country for Exercise Tiger Triumph? Correct answer is option C, USA. Where is the new Pamban rail bridge located connecting the island to mainland India? Right answer is option B, Rameswaram. Which Indian state is hosting the 7th Khelo India Youth Games in 2025? Right answer is option B, Bihar. India has been elected to which organization's expert group for the 2025-27 term? Correct answer is option A, International Standards of Accounting and Reporting. Swaminathan S. Iyer was recently appointed to which position in Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India? Correct answer is option B, full-time member in life. Who launched the NITI NCAER States Economic Forum portal? Correct answer is option D, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Railtel Corporation of India Limited has signed an MOU with which organizations to promote skill development in the railway sector? Right answer is option B, LTSU Punjab and NSDC. What amount has the Punjab government allocated for the Jhajjar Bacholi Wildlife Sanctuary initiative? Correct answer is option A, rupees 324 crore. Who won the 2025 Abel Prize among Japanese mathematicians? Correct answer is option B, Masaki Kashiwara. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.